In this video, I'm going to share how Refresh Renovations can increase sales by adding a simple piece of code to their landing pages or website that they're driving traffic to with a simple voice widget. Now, these voice widgets can have different accents: American, UK, Aussie, New Zealand, whatever. This one happens to be American, but we can change that. And there's no phone number needed. Let me show you how cool this is. And we want to drive traffic to that, to the widget so people can talk to people so they can book an appointment. So here we go. Accept the terms. Here we go.
Hi, this is John. I'm a Refresh Renovations expert, and I'm here to answer any questions you have. What brings you to our website today?
Yeah, so I saw an ad on Facebook and I'm looking to do a kitchen renovation in my house.
Great, thanks for sharing that. Do you have a specific style in mind for your kitchen renovation? Like modern, farmhouse, or maybe something else?
Modern we're looking for.
Perfect. A modern kitchen sounds fantastic. Are you hoping to update things like cabinets and countertops, or are you thinking about a full remodel with layout changes?
Yeah, we're thinking about a full remodel.
Thanks for letting me know. I can help you two ways. Would you like to schedule a free in-home assessment appointment, or would you prefer someone from our team to call you right now?
Yeah, that sounds good. But before we do that, can you tell me a little bit about Refresh Renovations?
Absolutely. Refresh Renovations specializes in home renovations, handling everything from design to project management and construction. We focus on making the process smooth and stress-free, with a dedicated team guiding you every step of the way. Is there anything specific you'd like to know about how we work or our past projects?
No, that sounds pretty good.
Great! Would you like to schedule a free in-home assessment appointment? Or would you prefer someone from our team to call you right now to discuss your kitchen remodel?
Let's schedule an appointment, please.
Great! What works best for you, mornings or afternoons?
Afternoons?
Sounds good. I have a 4 o'clock or a 7 o'clock tomorrow afternoon available. Which works best for you?
I'll take the 4 o'clock, please.
Perfect. Please type your name, email, phone number, and home address in the chat.
There you go.
Do me a favor and double check the spelling of your name, email, and address, and that's the correct number. Is everything correct?
Yep, looks good to me.
Perfect. Booking you in now. You're booked in. You'll receive a confirmation email shortly with all the details. One last question. Is there any reason why you would not be available for the assessment appointment?
No, I'll be home.
Great. Thanks for confirming. Do you have any other questions?
No, but is it okay if someone calls me right away?
Absolutely. I can arrange that. Please just double check that your name and phone number are correct in the chat box. Brian Wolfs and 654-3345-654. Is that right?
Yep, that is correct.
Perfect. I just sent a message to our team to call you. I'll stay online with you here just in case there are any issues. Please let me know once the call has been received so we can then disconnect.
Oh, looks like I'm getting a call right now.
Great. It's been a pleasure speaking with you, and we look forward to helping you. Thanks, and take care.
Okay, so you can see how it came right into my calendar. It's actually the wrong time because I have the time zone messed up. I don't have it the right time zone, but that's an easy fix. But just to give you an idea how cool that is, the way that works is, we basically place a snippet of code, custom code on your website or your landing pages. We can get you live in a couple of days. Like I mentioned to you before, the voice could be male or female. You can have different accents or different languages. But really the best part about this is that you're basically having a sales agent 24/7 booking callbacks or appointments, assessment appointments, and they're always on. It's 24/7 because that is when the lead is most likely to act, is when they're on your website and they're checking out different projects or what they're looking for. If you don't have this, then chances are they're going to go somewhere else because they're not getting immediate information or access or their questions answered. So that's the really cool thing about that. The voice script and the widget wording, like we had special savings, I think, on there. We can customize all that, and the scripting can be customized. We can qualify leads if we want to. We can use Slack, as I mentioned. Your sales team, the first person that responds can actually call them, or if you have one person, they can call that lead. You can do that during normal business hours or whenever someone's available for the callback, if some people request that. All the recordings and the transcripts, Everything is in the dashboard of the conversations, which is huge because you can listen to those conversations to see how we can improve things if necessary. The key to this whole thing is having voice, chat, and transcription all on one thing on your website when people are their highest intent is when they're on the website checking you out, and then they have the opportunity to get instant answers and actually speak to someone that's knowledgeable about their project. So anyway, I hope that helps, and I look forward to speaking with you. Thanks.